Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can make hotel reservations on the booking.com app. So first of all, open the app and make sure you are already logged into your account. So this is the official page, and now it's a very easy thing to do. Now to book a hotel, you need to tap on the search icon here, so that will be the location. Now you can select the dates like this, select the checkout date as well, then tap on select date option. Now in the third box you can choose the room option, so one room or two rooms, your number of adults you will have, and the number of children as well. Then once you have done all of this, tap on the apply option and then tap on search. So as you can see, these are the hotels I can book directly through the app. Now if I want to book this hotel, again tap on the option and then you can look for the instructions. You can also go and check their gallery as well. These are the instructions you have provided: your 3 rooms, the 3 adults and 1 child, the price, and then all the location. This is the description as well. So these are the information. Now you just need to tap on the select room option. Now again, once this page open up, if you want to reserve this room, tap on the reserve this room option. So that's how you can book hotels on the booking.com app. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.